Hello there, this is Shudripta Tagore and I would like to run you through the IGCSE English Literature and Language program as practiced in Pathways School, Noida. Now in grade 9, all the students have to take the literature program. As you can see, it is numbered 0486 and I repeat, everybody, all the students take this course. The course consists of a collection of poems from Songs of Ourselves, a play, Death of a Salesman, and a novel, Wuthering Heights. So the literature program is taken by all students. Then we have the FLE or First Language English course with the number 0500. This is meant for students who are quite proficient in the English language. The course consists of reading comprehension of 2 hours, a paper on that, and a coursework portfolio with 3 assignments. That means they write 3 essays in this coursework which are submitted to the CIE. Now, this choice of the first language English is for students, as I said, with high proficiency in the English language. The third course that is offered in Pathways School, Noida is ESL or English as a Second Language with the number 0510, and the content of the course is there will be reading and writing, listening, and oral components. All these skills are tested within the purview of this course. Now, who are the students who offer the ESL course? And this is the choice for students with a standard proficiency in the English language because it's easier for them to go through the ESL course. Now, we often tell students that if you're not extremely proficient in the English language and you don't have a good reading habit, your natural choice would be ESL. As it is, all the students do the literature course. The second one, where there's a choice between the ESL and FLE, only a handful who show exceedingly good proficiency in the written and spoken language take the FLE course. We ask the others to do the ESL course. There's one more reason for it. Now, if you look at this graph, an A in ESL would be equivalent to a C in FLE. So for all practical purposes, 2 A's on your mark sheet would look much better than a C and an A in the English courses. So if you are in a dilemma which course to take, please talk to your teacher. But if you're not extremely sure that you can handle the FLE course, it's much better to attempt the ESL course. And who are the stakeholders in this decision? First and foremost, we say it's the students. They would know where they stand with this language. After which, it's the teachers and the parents. All the 3 stakeholders discuss together and then make the choice between the FLE and the ESL course. Thank you.